Good day, everyone. Trust you well. Yes, this is my yield to sin, and then I slide it onto my sin for controlling of my legs. Yes, yeah. So this I did after my brain tumor was removed. So I had like side effects. Yes, where where um where my left side was weak. So this was to strengthen my limbs basically on my left side. Yes. So I did this for about say 10 reps. Yes, and then I switched to the right side, just so that um the right side don't be neglected. So give him also some training, yeah, for that the balanced look, and also so that the muscle don't get neglected, don't become weak. Yes. So you can also do these exercises, yeah, because bodybuilding strengthens you from the outside, and physiotherapy strengthens you from the inside of the muscle. Yeah. So all the best, guys, and good luck.